Trying to send money internationally in 2025, you are probably stuck between TapTap Send and Remitly. Today, we are cutting through the noise to compare safety, fees, and speed so you can pick the best option for your next transfer. Safety and security. Let's start with the most important part safety. Both TapTap Send and Remitly are licensed and regulated in multiple countries. Remitly is regulated in the US and globally with bank level encryption and fraud monitoring. TapTap Send is also fully licensed, uses strong encryption, and partners with trusted banks and mobile money providers. In terms of trust, Remitly has been around longer and serves more countries, but TapTap Send is rapidly growing and backed by investors like Spark Capital and Reid Hoffman. Both are safe, but if repetition and global reach matter to you, Remitly has a slight edge. Transfer fees and rates. Now let's talk about the cost, because no one wants to overpay on fees. TapTap Send is known for its zero transfer fee model in many corridors, especially if you are sending to Africa or South Asia. The catch, they make money on the exchange rate margin, like most remittance apps. On the other hand, Remitly charges a flat fee depending on your delivery speed and destination. Economy transfers are cheaper but slower. Express transfers cost more but arrive almost instantly. Remitly's exchange rates are usually less favorable than TapTap Send's, especially for popular routes like US to Nigeria, Ghana, or India. Example. Sending $100 from the US to Kenya, in TapTap Send, you will get $0 fee and competitive rates. While in Remitly economy, there might be approximately $3.99 fee plus slight worse rate. So TapTap Send is generally cheaper, especially for smaller amounts. But if you need flexible delivery options, Remitly might be worth the extra fee. Speed and delivery options. TapTap Send focuses on instant or near instant delivery to mobile money wallets. Think MTN, Gcash, Bcash, and more. But it doesn't support bank transfers in all regions yet. Remitly gives you more choices: bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, and even home delivery in some countries. Delivery time varies. Express will take some minutes, and the economy will take about 3 to 5 days till you get your transfer done. So if you are looking for simplicity and speed to mobile wallets, TapTap Send is great. But for more delivery options, especially to banks or cash locations, Remitly wins. User experience. Both apps are available on iOS and Android with clean interfaces. TapTap Send keeps it simple, perfect for people who just want to send money fast with minimal setup. Remitly offers more customization, promo codes, and better tracking tools, but it can feel slightly more complex. User ratings in 2025. TapTap Send has got 4.7 stars on Google Play. Remitly has got 4.6 stars, but with way more reviews overall. So it really depends on what you value more, simplicity or flexibility. Conclusion. So, which one should you go for? Choose TapTap Send if you want zero fees, fast delivery to mobile wallets, and you are sending to countries in Africa or Asia. Choose Remitly if you want more delivery options, larger coverage, and you do not mind paying a small fee for reliability and speed. TapTap Send is cheaper for most people transfers, but Remitly is safer for larger, complex transfers or destinations with fewer mobile wallet options. So, in my opinion, you can try both apps and compare for yourself. They are free to download, and first transfers often come with discounts. And that's all for our today's comparison. Please support us with like, subscribe, and see you in a new video.